Hello aspirants, welcome to Avlokan Mains Answer Writing Program Batch 3. We have successfully completed the 2 batches of Avlokan program and the feedback of which has been very pleasant for us. So, and we all know that the prelims has been postponed, so we brought this 3rd batch also because there was a lot of demand from the aspirants that we get a lag of 150 days now. So how we should prepare the prelims, also focus on the prelims, as well as why not start preparing with the mains. So we came up with a 50 days program, because after those 50 days when it will close, we will close the Avlokan program on 12th of July. After that we will have 90 days to prepare for the prelims exam, which is quite enough if you are already prepared with most of the topics of the prelims syllabus. So we can say it is a quite enough time to prepare your prelims exam. So to move forward with the Avlokan program, there are a lot of, we are very happy with the response of you guys. So everyone is asking about the questions. We are getting a lot of queries on our Telegram inquiry about where we will upload the answers, how we will get the answers evaluated, how the copies will. So we have created our own online platform. So you go to, those who have enrolled have gone through that portal already, but there are certain queries. So first thing I want to point out, many aspirants are asking, how should I log in? Because there are 2 kind of aspirants who enrolled in the program. Ones who first created their account, then made the payment and enrolled in the program. And there are some who have not created their account and enrolled as a guest aspirant. So for them, they are asking for their login credentials. You just simply go to the isfolks.com website link, click on the login button, and then forgot password, as you do for all the other websites. It is as simple as that. And when you log into your portal, you will find your course there. Next question is where we will get the questions. The questions daily, as the program says, 2 questions will be provided as per the schedule. The schedule is already uploaded where? On the isfolks.com. When you log into your the portal, there will be the columns there where you will find the syllabus, micro topic listing. Everything is available there. So you can check your syllabus, micro topics, and in the evening at 5 p.m. daily, you will receive the questions on the Telegram group as well as on the website. So don't worry. Why we created a Telegram group? The details of Telegram group is already in the website available, and you have already automatically get an email to join the Telegram group. So those who have not received, please check their spam folder regarding the email, or they can access it through the website also. Why Telegram group? It creates a 2-way communication easy. Suppose you have some query to the mentors, so you can interact with us anytime, whenever you feel. And the next thing is, it makes for us also easy, like the website, going through website every time is not comfortable for many of the people. Now, when can I submit the answer, or where can I submit my answer? So first thing is, you need to write an answer, okay? Then the question of submission comes. So how to write an answer? We will suggest always you should write on a A4 sheet paper, demarcate it like the UPSC format, make a column of 1 inch top, and the both side 1 inch you should leave. Just take a scale and mark the lines. This way, why this practice is more efficient than writing? Because you might not know, but there are negative markings in the UPSC. We know it that there is, and some aspirant did this mistake in the previous time. Even the 1 mark count when you are preparing for exams like the UPSC mains. So you don't want to do such kind of mistakes. So practice on that kind of paper. You don't need to buy any notebook or something. Just take the A4 paper and demarcate the section there and then write. Please be careful, never go beyond the sections what you are marked in there. So those sections, and that practice will help you when you will be writing in the actual UPSC mains exam. I hope every one of you will be writing those exams, okay? So to upload, once you write the exams, there will be 2 copies, okay? Because you are writing 2 answers. Some may be writing only 1 answer also. It depends on your capacity. It's all fine. But if you are writing the 2 answers or 1 answer, whether we have given you, check your emails for that. We have given you a temporary student ID just for this program. So those who have enrolled, or those who are writing the answers need to write their student ID as well as question ID. So every question will have a question ID and every student has their student ID. So on every answer sheet there should be a mention of student ID plus question ID, because without that we will not be able to track your ID. There will be number of students, like 50 students enrolled in the program, so 50 answers or 100 answers we receive daily around that, so it will be totally chaos for us. So that's why we recommend you to write that. No need to write, if you want to write your name, it's good enough. If you don't want to write your name, that's also fine, okay, but student ID is must, okay, and the question ID. So where to upload the answer now? So just go to the www.isfolks.com. there log in. In the course section, the section will be divided day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. So on whichever day your question, you take the question from the date section, okay, you know whichever date is this, you have already written that question, you just upload there, okay. If in case the file get crashed or something happens, some corruption happened in the file, or the file couldn't be uploaded properly, then you can message us on Telegram and you can send us on the Telegram ID, that same ID isfolks_enquiry, you can send there, okay. So these were the basic major queries regarding net. Now comes the thing that who will evaluate. So you know who are evaluating the copies. People are always considered that the students only, but they are not merely the students, okay. We have gone through the process multiple times, okay. We know where we failed, okay. So those people who succeeded in those exams, like who have cleared the UPSC, they are not going to teach you how to improve your mistakes. They will tell you about your successes, but the success has always a factor where their failures are overshadowed by their achievements. But we know the failures better, so we can tell you how you should overcome your failures in better way. So there is a team and everywhere you go, you just find like us who are enthusiastic enough to help you guys, okay. So don't worry about the quality of evaluation, it will be the best. We just promise you that the quality will be best from our end. So few questions we have already answered, and there are some more queries like when we can submit like answer, like today we got the 2 questions. Should we submit it today itself or the next week, or in what time period we can submit those answers? So I will say that we have total flexibility regarding the submission. So if we have given you the 2 questions today, that doesn't mean that you have to submit the answer today or the day after tomorrow or in 2-3 days. Like in schedule, we understand that totally. If you have not revised proper syllabus of society part, so we will give you an ample time that okay, don't worry, whichever part you are comfortable with, attempt those questions first and revise those society or other parts later on. So in those 50 days, any day you can write the answer. Those, even the first day answer you can write on the last day also. So that is kind of flexibility we are giving. So we will evaluate those answers, don't worry about it, okay. So how to upload, clear. Where to upload, clear. Where you will get the questions, clear. Will the questions be in Hindi also? Yes, because the aspirants who have joined for Hindi program, they will also get the questions in Hindi. So who will evaluate? We also have the evaluators in Hindi, okay. So don't worry about that, you will be satisfied with the evaluation. If you are not satisfied, just immediately call. What is the question? If you have some questions in your mind, like I am not able to write, or I have written but I am not satisfied about my writings, or we evaluated and we have not given you a proper marks, you are not satisfied with your marks, immediately you contact us. We will help you out in everything regarding these things, okay. So stay tuned, keep writing, we will bring out best from you, okay.